You looking for some sweet carbon fiber goodness for your FRS BRZ GT86? These are the Rexpeed carbon fiber interior door handle kits. What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here. In front of me I have the Rexpeed carbon fiber interior door handle kit specific for the FRS BRZ GT86. Now these are going to be a direct replacement for your factory interior door handles on both the driver and the passenger side. Now these are, like I said, a direct replacement. They're not just an overlay or anything like that, which is why I like them so much. Because you are going to physically remove your factory ones, pop these ones in their place, and you are good to go. So installation should be fairly easy because you literally do just kind of pop the old ones out, pop these ones in, so it shouldn't be too bad. But the thing I like most about it is just the beautiful carbon fiber finish on these with a nice clear coat over it, just to help keep everything nice and protected, looking, you know, has a very deep, luxurious, rich finish to it. And so this is going to be really cool, especially if you're going with some of the other carbon fiber interior components that they produce. This is going to be a nice, you know, way to kind of tie in everything on the interior. And these really are truly beautiful, beautiful pieces. I don't know if the camera can pick up just how gorgeous these things really are. But they just are going to add something extra to the inside of your car. I mean, obviously the FRS BRZ GT86 is a little bit Spartan on the interior, and so by going with something like this can really, like, you know, kind of bring out a little bit more and just make it not only a little bit different, but also a little bit nicer place to be when you're driving around. And being that it is a direct factory fit, it's going to fit just like stock and be super, super high quality. It's a very cool little kit. Check it out. That's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for checking out what's in the box. See you guys next time.